Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Folks, welcome to LAX at 6 o'clock in the morning. Today we're going to try something a little bit different. I just found out what simultaneous opposite direction means, and that is taking off and landing in different directions. Why would anyone in their right mind try such a hazardous activity? Well, sometimes LAX, for example, things come up whereby they can't fly planes over certain areas. It can be for a noise restriction at certain times of the day. They don't want aeroplanes taking off over built-up areas. But then I just saw an item about the Santa Ana winds that can affect the airflow around the
Los
airport.
Angeles Tower.
Here comes our first piece of traffic.
Requesting push and start.
So today I have elected to try. I have seen somebody else do this, and it was so interesting I couldn't resist. So here we are, getting our radars straightened out. We'll get the okay, one person called in. Let's start at the beginning here. Milo Hawk, let's start at the beginning. Our D-Bright area around the airport radar. So I have opened runway. You can see down here 25 right. So approaching traffic will come in 25 right, and departing traffic will leave on 6 right here. So once in the air, these planes are flying in different directions. So I guess my strategy is when they leave the ground, hand them over as soon as possible, someone else's problem, or instruct them to make a left turn and head 000, fly north away from the approaching planes. And therefore we have got planes flying into the swirling, unpredictable winds that are with us. It looks like it's foggy this morning in LA, so that doesn't go hand in hand with wind, does it? So we're off to a good start here. That I like to bang down the font a couple. That one will get them ready. I can see what's happening on the ground radar there. We select that strip and it will highlight Southwest 3134. That's him there. Can we see a tail light flashing? There he is. That's the guy there. So I'm going to tell him to go down to 6 right, and let's get this started. Southwest 3134, pushback approved, expect runway 6 right.
Ground, 6 right, pushback approved. Southwest 3134.
Okay, so that is, let's say that's the reason we're doing it today. I have seen another YouTuber using exactly the Tower 3D Pro Sim, and he was masterfully landing planes in one direction and then opposite direction taking off. And the premise behind that simulation was for the curfew for noise at that time of day, and then when I looked it up,
ground, Southwest 3134 ready to taxi.
Southwest 3134, runway 6 right.
Negative.
Southwest
3134.
Southwest 3134, runway 6 right.
Runway 6 right, Southwest 3134.
Okay, so the premise for our simulation today is, as per the article I just saw about LA and the difficult winds that can swirl around there and on occasion, and therefore regulation says safer for planes to take off into the wind, and there they are. There they will be heading off in the easterly direction. Doesn't explain why they would have to land in a westerly direction, because that's just bringing more traffic in over a built-up area, I would have thought, but that's what people are used to seeing at LAX, is planes flying out around the Big Bear area, making their turn apparently, and heading in for 25 left, or 24R I should say. And the inside runways are used for taking off. Taking off planes make the most noise, therefore they're kept onto the inner runways. And typically the wind would be blowing in from the coast, and that would why planes would be heading into the wind and flying out over the water, which also on takeoff going out over the ocean creates less chance of annoying folks with the din. Okay, So who knows about winds? Well, it's foggy right now. Maybe there's smoke from fires. Who knows? If it was smoke, I don't think they'd be running aircraft engines into it. Surely not. And it's 5:52. That's why it's quiet. It really kicks off at 600 hours. There is a lot of people sitting in those departure lounges down there, sitting in those gates, holding their hand luggage, looking out the window at their plane, thinking, oh golly, only 8 more hours and I'm in Cincinnati. I'm just making that up. Don't know how long it takes to fly there, but including the delays, the herding on, the herding off, it's a while. Anyway, Southwest 3134 is, you can see on the data block over here, he is a 737. I'm not sure what the W denotes. 6312 is also something to do with his flight plan, and that 0548 is his expected time of departure. It's pretty much when he pushed back, and he's our first flight strip. It gets written over here 6 right, because that's what a controller would be writing on there, saying that is the runway he'd sent him to. He's now in the pushback and taxiing phase. How do we know he's taxiing? Because he's got his runway assigned here, and he's flying off to Austin, Texas. So he's got a good 5 hours. Whoever's sitting in that plane's going to be sitting there for 5 hours at least. Okay, and anything taxiing around that Southwest, those terminals there, they are the traffic that you seem to hear through the glass. That seems to be the noisiest. Otherwise, you pretty much don't hear anything. Tiny little bit from the cars. Oh, here we go. Who's going to be next? The next request is going to come from the Southwest here. What's the clue? He's got his navigation light on his tail. I can't see a tug hanging around him anywhere. There's a tug over here by these guys, but they haven't got their nav lights on, so he's going to be calling us soon. Southwest still trundling his way down there. We may as well tell him he can get in position. Nothing else is going to be there. Southwest 3134, runway 6 right, line up and wait.
Runway 6 right, line up and wait, Southwest 3134.
Okay, and let's have a look around the rest of the terminal. There you
Los
go.
Angeles Tower.
This is the
Southwest
guy we were looking at.
push and start.
Yeah, it is. It's him with his little tail nav lights on. Southwest 3070, pushback approved. Expect runway 6 right.
Ground 6 right, pushback approved.
Also, it might be useful for these guys to have the
3070.
landing lights and nav lights on. There we go. And he's pushing back. Okay, it's going to stay a little bit peaceful like this until pretty much exactly 600 hours, and then it really kicks off.
Los Angeles ground. Southwest 3070 ready to taxi.
Southwest 3070, runway 6 right.
Runway 6 right, Southwest 3070.
Southwest 3134, runway 6 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 6 right, cleared for takeoff, Southwest 3134.
No point mucking around. The minute he gets there, he should turn and burn, because it's a quiet time. No sense in holding him up. And his colleague down here in the 737, I think the H, what does that denote? Is that the model number, or is it heavy? Anyway, that's heading out there nicely. Those beautiful blue planes. So let's take a look around, and what else can we notice? Sitting on the ground out here. These these gates. Do we see any nav lights? Any telltale nav lights? Nothing up the Tom Bradley end. Not very much waiting to depart there. Probably quite a few coming in. Those overnight flights over the Pacific start to roll in about this. Well, they roll in the first half of the day. And today they'll be seeing a bit more interesting stuff out the cockpit windows of those planes. They will see other traffic heading roughly same direction as them. Okay, Southwest 3134. He's on takeoff. A sound effect that sounds like an electric engine winding up. Doesn't sound like beautiful big airplane turbines, which is a shame. The previous version, before the Pro Tower 3D, the plane sound effects were awesome. They were very realistic. These ones are mostly realistic, but not on takeoff. They're not. Okay, it's time to talk to him. This is where we want to. Southwest 3134, turn left heading 010.
Turn left heading 010 Southwest 3134.
Is that going to be enough time? Who knows? If someone was on final and right beside him, would that be an incursion? Because it certainly wouldn't be 3 miles of separation. Southwest 3134, contact departure, good day.
Roger, good morning.
Southwest 3070, runway 6 right, line up and wait.
Runway 6 right, line up and wait. Southwest 3070.
Qantas.
Los Angeles Tower, Qantas 15 with you, runway 25 right.
Okay, there he is. He's come in from Brisbane, so it's a long flight across the Pacific. Those poor sods have been on that plane for at least 12 hours, possibly 14. Qantas 15, runway standby. I'm not even sure. I've opened runway 25 right. That's what it's going to be. And Qantas 15, runway 25 right, clear to land.
Runway 25 right, cleared to land. Qantas 15.
Okay, it's just gone 600, and we're probably going to see some traffic lighting up and calling in. Southwest 3070, runway 6 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 6 right, cleared for takeoff. Southwest 3070.
Qantas 15. Okay, I really just wanted to highlight his data strip so I could see which, yeah. So I guess our pattern is going to be, we're coming on 25 right, nicely in the middle, keeping noise away from surrounding areas. We're going to taxi off onto U and then B, or T and then B, and then send them down so that they can approach their gate in a westerly direction, and then planes leaving the gates can go in a westerly direction and head up. Let's send them down along C. They can go along C and then up Alpha Alpha onto Echo this way, and then traffic arriving back from there can just march, or westerly direction, head up Sierra, and then use D to go to gate. And anyone leaving these gates will send them on to Echo, and they can go all the way down on Echo. Let's see how that works. Doesn't seem very hard now with 2 pieces of traffic, but we will soon know. Okay, 6:02. We still don't have anyone calling in. Okay, clear the command panel and let's have a quick look around. This is the middle mouse wheel, by the way. That lets you pan about. Oh, look at that. They're crossing over each other. Wonder what height he's at. We handed him over. Alrighty. Yeah, he's up there at 10,000 and Qantas will be down there at about 18 now because he's inside of the 10-mile marker. And then, okay, so handing over early is probably the answer, but I'm going to try telling them after takeoff. Well, here we go. Southwest 3070 after takeoff, head head where I tell you, stand by.
Negative.
Yeah, makes sense, of course, because I mumbled
Los
that
Angeles
out like
Tower,
an amateur.
Allow 5 with you, runway 25 right.
Southwest 3070, contact departure, good day.
Roger, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, thanks for the correction. Okay. Eli 5. Really is called that. What's that? That's a British airline. It's coming from London by the look of it. Oh, no, sorry. UK somewhere. Eli 5, runway 25 right, clear to land. Oh, Eli 5, runway 25 right, clear to land.
Runway 25 right, cleared to land. Elal 5. Elal 5. Okay, let's have a look at where have those guys come in from? LLBG. Well, according to the ICAO, that's Italy. It's a Hebrew acronym, so it must be Israel. Doesn't say what city. It's Tel Aviv. Yeah, Ben Gurion International, Tel Aviv. LL. Okay, Qantas, they are on the ground. And they're 747-400 series. Does H denote heavy? Qantas 15, exit runway at taxiway Tango. Exit at taxiway Tango, Qantas 15.
Qantas 15, taxi the terminal via Tango, Charlie, Sierra. Jaha!
Taxi to terminal via Tango,
It's not
Charlie,
going to be
Sierra,
there.
Qantas 15.
He's supposed to be in that terminal, okay. Qantas 15, taxi the terminal via Tango, Bravo, Papa, Charlie.
Taxi to terminal via Tango, Bravo, Papa, Charlie.
Could I have done that better? Undoubtedly. Maybe sent him down C9. You start to use those ones that are too tiny and then you'll find you've got a heavy that can't fit down it. So I could hoist myself by trying to be too clever. someone was to call out for a pushback in that gate area, I would wait until the Qantas had gotten past them, or make Qantas wait somewhere safe, like on Tango, for example, until I'd cleared it. And that could be happening in the busy time of the day, depending on whether there's more departure or arrival traffic, of course. But eventually you'll get an aircraft saying to you, we can't go to the gate because it's full. So keeping the gates departing and empty seems to be a good priority. And he's not going to pull up anywhere anyway. He's not crossing over any active runways. He forgot about Bravo. Oh no. He's going to go co-pilot. He wrote it down. He's doing it for him. Alright, that beautiful big 747, man. Every time we don't have one of those, we miss them. The 380, well, that was an impressive replacement, but now neither of them are new. Find myself hankering for the 747. It's done a lot of work for humanity. Okay, email 5. He's coming in on a regular old foggy, smoky morning. He doesn't even know that there's a simultaneous opposite direction going on. He may have seen some traffic overhead. Just another day on the job, another normal approach to LAX. Wait till it's time to leave, pal. We got some fun for you. Here comes that beautiful 747. Right, maybe by 10 past, quarter past, we'll start to see something going on. There's a lot of planes at the gates with the nav lights on, but it's up to filling those up with passengers and getting ready to depart. Sort of your long distance internationals are trundling in, all two of them. Far off flung reaches of the globe. Tel Aviv and Brisbane.
Los Angeles Tower, United 1242 requesting push and start.
United 1242, pushback approved, expect runway 6 right.
Ground, 6 right pushback approved. United 1242.
Okay, and we can still see Qantas just heading into his gate up there. Beautiful. Beautiful state of affairs. Qantas 15. Just wanted to see him get to his gate, so I'll click on the strip. Oh, there he is. Oh, look at that. Quite nice in the cinematic. Yeah. Doesn't look like the wings are going to clear under that plane there. No, they're not. They're just morphing through it. Yeah, great. Thanks. They couldn't get the dimensions right.
Los Angeles ground. United
We don't know what's wider, the plane or the gates, so I don't know. How did they come to this? United 1147, runway 25 right, clear to land.
Runway 25 right, clear to land. United 1147.
United 1242, runway 6 right.
Los Angeles Tower, Delta 1212 requesting push and start.
Negative. United 1242.
United 1242, runway 6 right.
Runway 6 right, United 1242.
ELL 5, taxi to terminal via Charlie.
Taxi to terminal via Charlie ELL 5.
Okay, who's going to get to that intersection first? That's going to be a bit of fun. He started rolling. Our other guys are rolling up. They're going to... I get a feeling, it looks from sitting here in the tower, that United's going to get out there way quicker. When you look at the top-down ADIRS, it looks like it could be close. Anyway, ELL 5's got to do a lot more turning before he gets there. Okay. Delta 1212, pushback approved, expect runway 6 right.
Ground, 6 right pushback approved. Delta 1212. Los Angeles Tower, Spirit Wings 949er requesting push and start.
Spirit Wings 9049er, pushback approved, expect runway 6 right.
Ground, 6 right pushback approved. Spirit Wings 949er. Los Angeles Tower, United 502 requesting push and start.
United 502, pushback approved, expect runway 6 right.
Ground, 6 right pushback approved. United 502. Los Angeles ground, Delta 1212 ready to taxi.
Delta 1212, runway 6 right.
Runway 6 right Delta 1212.
Los Angeles Tower, United 840 with you runway 25 right.
United 840, runway 25 right, clear to land.
Runway 25 right cleared to land United 840.
United 1242, runway 6 right via Charlie Alpha Alpha Echo.
Runway 6 right taxi via Charlie Alpha Alpha Echo United 1242.
Los Angeles ground, Spirit Wings 949er ready to taxi.
Spirit Wings 949er, taxi to runway 6 right via Echo.
Negative. Spirit Wings 949er.
Don't know how I got that wrong. Spirit Wings 949er, runway 6 right.
Runway 6 right.
Right now, it doesn't matter which way it goes, so I'm not going to fight it. United 502.
Los Angeles ground, United 502 ready to taxi.
United 502, taxi to 6 right via standby United. I'm getting
United
getting the syntax wrong. United 502, runway 6 right, taxi via Charlie Alpha Alpha Echo.
Runway 6 right taxi via Charlie Alpha Alpha Echo United 502.
Spirit Wings 949er, runway 6 right, taxi via Echo.
Runway 6 right taxi via Echo Spirit Wings 949er.
United 1242.
Los Angeles Tower, United 407 requesting push and start.
United 407, pushback approved, expect runway 6 right.
Ground, 6 right pushback approved. United 407.
United 1147, exit runway at taxiway Papa.
Exit at taxiway Papa United 1147. Los Angeles
United
Tower, compass 5975 with you runway 25 right.
United 840, exit runway at taxiway Papa.
Exit at taxiway Papa United 840.
Compass 5975, runway 25 right, clear to land.
Los Angeles ground, United 407 ready to taxi. Runway 25 right cleared to land compass 5975.
United 407, runway 6 right, taxi via Charlie Alpha Alpha Echo.
Runway 6 right taxi via Charlie Alpha Alpha Echo United 407. Los Angeles Tower, American 239er2 requesting push and start.
American 239er2, pushback approved, expect runway 6 right.
Ground, 6 right pushback approved. American 239er2.
United 1147, taxi to terminal via Papa Bravo.
Taxi to terminal via Papa Bravo United 1147. Los Angeles ground, American 239er2 ready to taxi.
American 239er2, runway 6 right, taxi via Charlie Alpha Alpha Echo.
Los Angeles Tower, Spirit Wing 739er requesting push and start.
Spirit Wing 739er, pushback approved, expect runway 6 right.
Runway 6 right taxi via Charlie Alpha Alpha Echo American 239er2.
Ground, 6 right pushback approved. Spirit Wing 739er.
Los Angeles Tower, American 14 with you runway 25 right.
American 14, runway 25 right, clear to land.
Say again.
American 14, runway 25 right, cleared to land.
Runway 25 right cleared to land American 14.
United 1242, hold position.
Hold position United 1242. Los Angeles Tower, Alaska 575 requesting push and start. Los Angeles ground, Spirit Wing 739er ready to taxi.
Spirit Wing 739er, runway 6 right, taxi via Echo.
Runway 6 right taxi via Echo Spirit Wing 739er.
Los Angeles Tower, Spirit Wings 562 requesting push and start.
Spirit Wings 562, pushback approved, expect runway 6 right.
Ground, 6 right pushback approved. Spirit Wings 562.
Los Angeles Tower, Alaska 150 with you runway 25 right.
Alaska 150, runway 25 right, cleared to land.
Runway 25 right cleared to land Alaska 150.
Alaska 575, pushback approved, expect runway 6 right.
Ground, 6 right pushback approved. Alaska 575. Los Angeles Tower, Delta 1404 requesting push and start.
United 840, taxi to terminal via Papa Bravo.
Taxi to terminal via Papa Bravo United 840.
Spirit Wings 949er, runway 6 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 6 right cleared for takeoff Spirit Wings 949er.
Alaska 575, hold position.
Hold position Alaska 575.
Los Angeles ground, Spirit Wings 562 ready to taxi.
Spirit Wings 562, runway 6 right, taxi via Echo.
Runway 6 right taxi via Papa Echo
No.
Spirit Wings 562.
Spirit Wings 562, runway 6 right, taxi via Echo.
Runway 6 right taxi via Echo Spirit Wings 562.
Delta 1212, runway 6 right, line up and wait.
Runway 6 right line up and wait Delta 1212.
United 1242, continue taxi.
Continue taxi United 1242.
Delta 1404, pushback approved, expect runway 6 right.
Negative. Delta 1404.
Delta 1404, pushback approved, expect runway 6 right.
Ground, 6 right pushback approved. Delta 1404.
Yeah, it'd be a great shot if it wasn't for that tinny noise. It sounds so not impressive. Spirit Wings 949er, after departure, turn left heading 010.
Negative. Spirit Wings 949er.
Los Angeles
Spirit Wings
Tower,
949er,
Southwest
contact
2705
departure.
requesting push and start.
Roger, good morning.
Los Angeles ground, Delta 1404 ready to taxi.
Spirit Wing 739, hold position.
Hold position Spirit Wing 739er.
Delta 1212, runway 6 right, cleared for takeoff.
Negative. Delta 1212.
Delta 1212, runway 6 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 6 right cleared for takeoff Delta 1212.
United 1242, runway 6 right, line up and wait.
Runway 6 right, line up and wait. United 1242.
Compass 5975, taxi to terminal via Mike, Bravo.
Taxi to terminal via Mike Bravo compass 5975.
Compass 5975, taxi to terminal via Bravo.
Taxi to terminal via Bravo compass 5975.
United 840, hold position.
Hold position United 840.
Delta 1212, contact departure, good morning.
Roger, good morning.
United 1242, runway 6 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 6 right cleared for takeoff United 1242.
United 502, runway 6 right, line up and wait.
Runway 6 right line up and wait United 502.
Delta 1404, taxi to standby.
Negative. Delta 1404.
Delta 1404, runway 6 right, taxi via Charlie Alpha Alpha Echo.
Runway 6 right, taxi via Charlie Alpha Alpha Echo Delta 1404.
American 14, exit runway at taxiway Papa. Oh, he's going to go off.
Negative.
He's got his own idea. He's just going to have to wait there. And now, of course, traffic jam down here. Spirit Wing 739er, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Spirit Wing 739er. Los Angeles Tower, American 725 requesting push and start.
United 840, continue taxi.
Continue taxi United 840.
I don't think he can. See what I've done? So I've got sloppy on where they exit the runways, and now they're head-to-head on a lane. They're sitting on different parts, but I don't think they can get past each other. I think they're going head-to-head. United 1242, contact departure.
Roger, good morning.
I don't think they can get past each other there. United 840, I've created a mess down here. Look at that. He's going to keep trying, but he's still trying to taxi the terminal, so they are stuck together. This is a big problem right here. American 286, contact departure.
Roger, good morning.
Okay, don't know how I'm going to fix this. There is one chance. American 14, taxi the terminal via Bravo 5.
Taxi to
He
terminal
might
Bravo
actually
5,
turn
American
around and
14.
do it. And United 840, hold position. And keep trying to inch forward every time he turns around. He might be able to turn around from there, you never know. It's my only hope. Alaska 150, taxi the terminal via Charlie.
Taxi to terminal via Charlie Alaska 150.
Okay folks, looks like it's over for me. I've probably messed this up completely. Just got too sloppy on the exiting the runway. They picked their own taxiways they want to exit on. They were close together, I didn't keep an eye on that. Then I send them backing up on each other. So maybe the answer was send them all the way down to drive on up along Charlie and just make a stop go system for who comes in and out of the southern terminals. That might have been a better way to do it. Southwest 2705, pushback approved, expect runway 6 right.
Ground, 6 right pushback approved.
Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to fix that. Don't know what Alaska's going to do down there.
Alaska 477 requesting push and start.
American 725, pushback approved, expect runway 6 right.
Negative. American
Yep,
725.
fair enough. You're going to sit there
Los
a lot
Angeles
longer
Tower,
then.
Southwest 2003 requesting push and start.
United 502, runway 6 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 6 right cleared for takeoff, United 502.
American 23902, runway 6 right, line up and wait.
Runway 6 right, line up and wait, American 23902.
Los Angeles ground, Southwest 2705 ready to taxi.
Southwest 2705, runway 6 right, taxi via Echo.
Runway 6 right taxi via Echo Southwest 2705.
Alaska 477, pushback approved, expect runway 6 right.
Ground, 6 right pushback approved. Alaska 477.
United 502, contact departure, good morning.
Roger, good morning.
American 23902, runway 6 right, cleared for takeoff.
Negative. American 23902.
American 23902, runway 6 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 6 right cleared for takeoff, American 23902.
United 407, runway 6 right, line up and wait.
Runway 6 right, line up and wait, United 407. Los Angeles ground, Alaska 477 ready to taxi.
Alaska 477, runway 6 right, taxi via Charlie, Alpha Alpha Echo.
Runway 6 right taxi via Charlie Alpha Alpha Echo, Alaska 477.
Alaska 575, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Alaska 575.
Los Angeles Tower, American 292 requesting push and start.
Look at that, got 2 more head to head. Very good. Very good. Alaska 477, hold position.
Say again.
Alaska 150, hold position.
Hold position Alaska 150.
Alaska 477, hold position.
Hold position Alaska
Wow, made a
477.
pig's breakfast out of this. American 23902, contact departure. What a mess.
Roger.
Look what I've
Good
done.
morning.
What have I done? Look, I got 3 planes and 2 of them are departing and 1 of them exiting.
Los
So
Angeles
talk
Tower,
about opposing
American
direction
298 with you, runway
of
25
opposing
right.
direction on exactly
Los
the same
Angeles
terminal.
ground,
Look, and there's this
Alaska
guy trying to push
575
back.
ready to taxi.
Look what I've done. What a mess I've made here. American 298, contact departure.
Roger, good morning.
United 407, runway 6 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 6 right cleared for takeoff, United 407. Los Angeles Tower, American 2284 requesting push and start.
Wow, yeah, and I got a bunch up problem here, and it's Spirit Wing 739, runway 6 right, line up and wait.
Runway 6 right line up and wait.
So I got 2 jams,
739er.
jammed them up here head to head. Just too much for me, couldn't focus on what's going on there, and then I got these guys head to head, so someone's having to bring a tug, someone's getting pulled away from the desk, which is me. It's time for me to get pulled away from the desk. Supervisor should be stepping me out and putting a proper controller in about now. Okay, and I will be telling them you've got that United on takeoff, and that is pretty much your last obligation. Get him handed over safely. Do you think you can handle that? United 407, contact departure.
Roger, good morning.
Okay, so that's it. He's requesting pushback. He's heading to the runway. These are requesting pushback. This is a mess. Someone needs to come and pull away Alaska. And then these 2 can go, and then someone needs to get down here and pull away United. So I've made a complete mess of that, and I have to step away. With that note, you're on your own. Thank you very much. Good night.